Welcome to this English shadowing practice. If you want to speak fluently, repeat with me and practice out loud. This exercise will train your mouth, ears, and memory at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English practice. Repeat with me. I wake up early every day. Now say, I drink a glass of water in the morning. Repeat with me. I go for a walk to feel fresh. Now say, I read a book before breakfast. Repeat with me. I make a cup of tea to start my day. Now say, I check my phone for new messages. Repeat with me. I brush my teeth carefully. Now say, I wash my face with cold water. Repeat with me. I wear comfortable clothes at home. Now say, I prepare breakfast for my family. Repeat with me. I eat eggs and bread in the morning. Now say, I enjoy fruits like apples and bananas. Repeat with me. I drink coffee to feel awake. Now say, I write down my plan for the day. Repeat with me. I pack my bag before leaving. Now say, I put on my shoes quickly. Repeat with me. I walk to the bus stop every morning. Now say, I wait for the bus with patience. Repeat with me. I listen to music on the bus. Now say, I look outside and enjoy the view. Repeat with me. I greet my friends at school. Now say, I sit at my desk and get ready. Repeat with me. I listen carefully to my teacher. Now say, I take notes during the lesson. Repeat with me. I ask questions when I don't understand. Now say, I answer questions with confidence. Repeat with me. I practice English every day. Now say, I learn new words from reading. Repeat with me. I write sentences in my notebook. Now say, I repeat them to remember better. Repeat with me. I watch English videos online. Now say, I listen to how people speak. Repeat with me. I practice shadowing to sound natural. Now say, I copy the rhythm and tone of English. Repeat with me. I read stories to improve my skills. Now say, I tell the story back in my own words. Repeat with me. I try to speak without fear. Now say, I know mistakes help me improve. Repeat with me. I learn grammar step by step. Now say, I don't rush the process. Repeat with me. I practice speaking with a partner. Now say, I enjoy short English conversations. Repeat with me. I ask, how are you? With a smile. Now say, I answer politely. I'm fine, thank you. Repeat with me. I order food in English at a cafe. Now say, I practice saying, can I have coffee? Repeat with me. I use English when shopping. Now say, I ask, how much is this? Repeat with me. I practice English when traveling. Now say, I ask, where is the station? Repeat with me. I check signs written in English. Now say, I read them slowly and carefully. Repeat with me. I practice English at home too. Now say, I talk to myself in English. Repeat with me. I describe what I am doing. Now say I am cooking rice now. Repeat with me, I think in English when I'm alone. Now say, I make small sentences in my head. Repeat with me, I listen to English songs. Now say, I tried to sing along with the lyrics. Repeat with me, I practice English pronunciation. Now say, I move my mouth clearly. Repeat with me, I repeat words many times. Now say, I check the sound in a mirror. Repeat with me, I watch English movies with subtitles. Now say, I follow the words on the screen. Repeat with me, I repeat short lines from movies. Now say, I copy the actor's tone. Repeat with me, I use English apps every day. Now say, I practice with short exercises. Repeat with me, I test myself with quizzes. Now say, I feel happy when I get answers right. Repeat with me, I practice saying numbers in English. Now say, I count from 1 to 100. Repeat with me, I practice the days of the week. Now say, I also practice the months of the year. Repeat with me, I practice greetings every day. Now say, I say good morning and good night. Repeat with me, I practice polite words in English. Now say, I say please and thank you. Repeat with me, I make English part of my life. Now say, I use it at home and outside. Repeat with me, I practice a little every day. Now say, I know small steps make big changes. Repeat with me, I believe I can speak English well. Now say, I stay positive and keep learning. Repeat with me, I know practice makes me better. Now say, I never give up on my goal. Great work today. You just practiced 150 useful English sentences. Keep repeating them every day to train your mouth and memory. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will sound. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English practice.